This year, Lawyers Insurance Fund became Lawyers Indemnity Fund following recent amendments to the Legal Profession Act that changed the insurance program into an indemnification program. Be assured that LIF will continue to handle claims, take calls, and reply to advance rulings and email inquiries, just as it always has. Your 2020 policy covers 3 types of risks: professional negligence, trust protection for theft by a lawyer, and trust shortage liability arising from social engineering fraud or reliance on fraudulent certified checks. Trust protection and trust shortage coverage are not to be confused with crime or cyber coverage. The coverages in your policy are limited to theft by a lawyer and fraudulent transfers from your trust account. Please discuss cyber and crime coverage with your broker. So what's new in your professional negligence coverage? The policy provides broad coverage to BC lawyers and is kept current as risks evolve. In fact, only 1% of claims from 2004 to 2019 have been denied. For 2020, we have added a new coverage to reimburse you for the defense costs you incur in the successful appeal of a penalty assessed pursuant to the Income Tax Act or Excise Tax Act, or a defense of a prosecution of an offense under PIPEDA. This new coverage will be up to a sublimit of $100,000. We have also expanded the definition of professional services to include acting as an escrow holder and attorney appointed under a power of attorney. Publishing or communicating on a website, blog, or social media platform is also covered, but only if it is directly connected and incidental to your practice of law. Some risks that are not part of professional negligence coverage have been clarified. Mortgage brokering services have never been the practice of law, and the policy now explicitly states that mortgage brokering services are not professional services. Voluntarily undertaken contractual obligations are not covered. We have added an exclusion for liability assumed under contract where there has been no error or omission. The policy continues to exclude liability for risks of injury or property damage, commonly covered under a commercial general liability or CGL policy. However, your policy now explicitly covers you for claims of emotional distress or humiliation caused by an error. For more information on your 2020 policy, please take a look at the Lawyers Indemnity Fund pages on the Law Society website.